here. I am finally introducing circuit board rings to the website. So I thought I would make a fun little video to introduce them properly with lots of fanfare and make a big deal about them. They are just so much fun. As you can see, each one is unique and one of a kind. But before we start with that, before we go there, I'd like to show you a circuit board. This is how all TechWares begin. As you can see from afar, it's very beautiful. When you look up close, it's got some really funky dust and grime on it. It's got these really sharp points on the back. I don't know if you can see them, but these will cut you. So I take care of all of that before I make any jewelry out of circuit boards. Okay, cut. Okay, I know we're all intelligent people here, but I just wanted to explain how this works. Circuit board rings, as you can see, are available in two shapes, round and rectangle. Now these are big rings. These are statement rings. It's not for a dainty look at all. These is like, hey, I geek my bling and don't make me hit you. They come in 5 colors: yellow, red, green, blue, and purple. So you can see there's basically 2 different things that can happen. Now when I start with a circuit board like this, I am fretting over the design and looking at it to see what it has to offer. So there's really 2 ways to go. There's kind of more of a circuitry look, like these 2, or there's more of a componentry look. So that's what you're going to get with the circuit board ring. Now I'll show you a couple of special ones here. This one, as you may know, is PB is the elemental symbol for lead. Since it's crossed out, that means this circuit board was lead-free. Hooray. So yeah, I want to send you one like this, because this is for a special person. This is for somebody who is a science geek who loves the periodic table of elements, somebody who moved away from Leadville, Colorado, somebody who is allergic to peanut butter, a number of reasons. It's this one's not for everybody. Another one here, a good example is this these Chinese characters. I mean, Chinese characters are awesome, but they're not for everybody. So I want to assume that you would want that one. But what I would assume is that you are going to love this. Okay, so what in the world gives me the right to make that assumption? Well, I'll tell you, it begins with quality control. I don't finish making any TechWares, meaning the last step is pouring the resin on. I don't do that unless it's something that I know that I'm going to want to keep. Obviously, I can't keep it all when I have much of a business there anyway. But really, I work hard at finding the parts of the circuit board that lend themselves to being turned into something like this, and I fret over it. Plus, there is a 100% TechWares promise that if you get your circuit board ring and it underwhelms you in any way, ship it back unused. Return shipping's on me, no problem. I will email you a postage paid thing you can print out and slap it back on a box and send it back to me, because I know somebody else will buy it. So no worries there. Yeah, cut. Okay, there's really just one last little bit I want to be sure you understand. These rings are silver-plated brass, which, well, exactly like it sounds, it's silver-plated brass. So the silver plating does wear off. This is a ring, one of the first prototypes I made that I wore every day for about a year. I hope you would wear yours every day as well. But as you can see, the silver does wear off, and you're left with a brass ring. A lot of people could care less. A lot of people have metal sensitivities, or they don't like the oxidation, because when you have this in contact with your skin, it will oxidize. So if that is a problem for you, this is definitely not the ring to get. But I do make rings out of pure sterling silver. Well, this one's got a little piece of copper on it, but I can make these in any size. So, any ring size standard. So if that's a little more what you're looking for. Also, the circuit board can be any size, so I can make them smaller, bigger, round, oval, square, whatever you want. So, all right, well, thank you for watching. If you have any questions, drop me an email, contact me through social media, leave a comment on my YouTube video, because this is my very first one, so probably be doing more of them. Thought it would be a great way to kind of give you more of a up-close interaction with the product and know what you're getting into. I absolutely love making this stuff. It's my life's work. So I appreciate you watching the video. I appreciate your support of TechWares, and let me know if I can do anything else for you. Thank you.